Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this video is all about a notification released by Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, a government of India undertaking company for the post of management trainees and officers. The qualifications required for this recruitment is BE or BTech in engineering, either from electrical, mechanical, chemical, or any other engineering stream. Also, some of the posts are available for MBA and BSc candidates and 10th standard too. And you can apply for this job from 29 June 2020 till 15th July 2020. So now we will move on to the further details about the notification. So these are the job details. So the first category is management trainee chemical, and the total number of posts are 60, and the qualification required is BE or BTech or BSc in chemical, and no experience is required for this category, and the maximum age limit is 25 years for unreserved and 30 years for SC/ST and 28 years for OBC, and for PWBD category 35 years, that is for general, and for PWBD SC/ST 40 years, and for OBC it should be 38 years maximum. And the second category is management trainee boiler, and the number of posts are 21, and here the qualification required is either BE or BTech or BSc from chemical or mechanical or instrumentation or electrical discipline, as well as candidate should possess a valid boiler operation engineer's certificate or boiler proficiency certificate. So it is mandatory. Then no experience is required for this category. Age limit for this post is maximum of 25 years for unreserved and 30 years for SC/ST and 28 for OBC. And the next category is management trainee mechanical, and the total post is about 48 numbers, and the qualification is either BE, BTech or BSc from mechanical discipline, and the age limit is similar to that of the first category. Then the next category is management trainee electrical with 22 number of posts, and qualification required is either BE or BTech or BSc from electrical discipline, and no experience is required, and the age limit is similar to the first category. And the next category is management trainee instrumentation with 35 number of posts, and the qualification required is either BE, BTech or BSc from instrumentation stream, and no experience is required, and the age limit for this category is 25 years for unreserved and maximum of 30 years for SC/ST and 28 years for OBC. And next category is engineer chemical for only OBC, and the total number of posts 10, and the qualification required is chemical engineering, either BE, BTech or BSc from chemical stream, and the experience required is minimum 2 years of post qualification experience is required as on date 31/7/2020, and the maximum age limit for OBC is 35 years. Next we have officer marketing grade E1 with 10 vacancies. Here either science, engineering or agriculture graduation with minimum 3 to 4 years duration, and full-time graduates can apply for this officer marketing grade, and they require minimum 2 years of experience in the sales and marketing field as on 31st July 2020. And the age limit for this category is maximum of 32 years for unreserved and 37 years for SC and ST and 35 years for OBC and 42 years for PWBD categories. Rupees 1000 must be paid, which is non-refundable application fee, plus bank charges are also applicable with GST for the post of management trainee engineering as category. So only online mode of paying your fee is possible. Then SC, ST, PWBD or ex-servicemen category candidates are not required to pay their application fee. Then regarding the selection process, so the candidates will be undergoing online test and personal interview. In online test, there will be two parts. One is based on the discipline they have applied and the another one is based on the aptitude. So during the test, the total number of questions will be of 100 with 50 questions in each category. There will be a negative marking system for the wrong answers, and for the exact date of online test, so you can refer to www.rcflimited.com. Then how to apply for this recruitment? So the last date for applying to this opportunity is 15th July 2020 and it starts from 29th June 2020. And so the candidate need to visit the RCF official website, and under HR recruitment section there will be option apply online. So you can click that and you can apply with your relevant data, and this is the official website and this link is for your official notification. So I have also provided the link in the description box for your references. I hope this video will be useful for you. Kindly subscribe to my channel for further updates. All the best. Thank you.